Thank you for watching VSM TV. I'm Carol Roy, and today I'm joined by Erhard Behnke, the President and Worldwide Director of Sales at IGEL. How are you?
Pretty good, and you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Why don't we start out with you telling us a little bit about IGEL and your role there?
Yeah, I'm Worldwide Director of Sales at IGEL Technology, headquartered in Germany, in Bremen. I'm also President of the U.S. operation over here, located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So my role is heading the sales, implementing our sales strategy across the board. So we do have, besides our headquarters in Germany, we do have additional sales offices in the UK, in the US, in Fort Lauderdale and in Florida, and also in Singapore, Hong Kong, and in France, Paris. We just opened that one early this year.
Now, IGEL, for folks who don't know, is the world's third leading thin client vendor according to revenue.
Correct.
That was announced in 2008.
Correct.
And it has been named as a finalist for the Citrix Ready Solution of the Year. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. We're very proud of it.
Excellent. Now, what is IGEL's relationship with Citrix other than being a finalist for this?
Well, the relationship is lasting more than 10 years or more than a decade now. We have a very close relationship to these guys in all kinds of respect, especially also into engineering and product management, product marketing, and of course sales to actually help out implement and support their desktop initiatives and product positioning, especially the final positioning into that becoming the reward was based on specific implementation on the Zen desktop environment. So we, for example, have implemented a unique functionality of implementing the Zen desktop appliance mode into our offering. So across the board, all products are set actually with one click to be Zen desktop appliance mode enabled, which causes the user directly to be booting into the Zen desktop server environment.
Now, IGEL has just released a new thin client model, IGEL 1. Can you give us some detail?
Yeah, the detail is...
And show it to us.
This big. So if you put my hands right next to it, it's pretty neat, very nicely engineered and produced. We do position this as at the marketplace, so-called SME, small medium businesses, to actually enable customers implementing purely and straightforward ICA, RDP, or any additional protocol on the network level. So it's possible that small customers just go straight ahead and implement the ICA environment for their desktop systems. This unit is basically positioned to enable these small customers to go into this server-based computing environment based on Citrix or Microsoft.
Now, what are the benefits a customer sees from using the IGEL 1?
Well, it's pretty neat. It's straightforward. They just select on during back boot up. First time they select the protocol they want to go with, and just boot into their server-based computing environment, get the applications and go. There's nothing else what they need to do. It's pretty neat, very much straightforward.
Ease of use is always key.
Absolutely. Ease of use, the experience for getting all the access of the applications on the server-based environment. That's the key for those customers. They don't want to have any hassle with implementing technology or stuff. They will just go straight ahead and implement their day-to-day work. And that's effectively a very good system to base on their standard service environment.
Now let's talk a little about the partner program at IGEL. What are some highlights? Give us a little background on it.
Well, the highlights are basically IGEL technologies across the board 100% channel orientated. This uniqueness is, of course, very separate in the market space of thin clients. We clearly have positioned ourselves to work with our partners towards their end users. We have implemented a two-tier model. Effectively, we're working across the board with distribution partners and resellers. So first tier are distributors and second tier are resellers. We do actually based on about 2,500 resellers worldwide, because there's a need to actually have specific partners to be positioned to our customers. So we have implemented a partner program to make it clear for customers who to go to and where the expertise is about our products. The program itself, it's very easy to join. It's a one-day class for a salesperson. The salesperson just needs about to attend 1.5 hours, and the rest of the day is occupied for the technician to actually get on top of the products, to learn the products and learn the products, how to position them, how to present them in front of customers. Effectively, our trainers are very keen, very knowledgeable about how to present our technology in front of customers. And this is what they bring across pretty good.
Now, for those folks who are lucky enough to be here in Las Vegas for the event, what will they find at the IGEL booth?
Well, the IGEL booth basically shows our current offering. Of course, this nice and tiny little new unit positioned at the low-end market space of the thin client market is there. We do just introduce a special for our thin client card. That's effectively a product from IGEL Technology with our IP on it to actually replace the standard fat client and migrate that into a thin client. How is that possible? That would be, I think, the question. We turn out the hard disk. So you see the IDE port here for implementing the IDE cable from the current hard disk. Put it on here, and next time the computer, the PC, starts as a thin client. Powered by IGEL. This is a compact flash with the software on it. And the embedded flash Linux from IGEL with all the digital services functionalities in it will boot up next time and will turn the standard PC into a thin client. Fully managed by IGEL Technology Universal Management Suite.
And for the folks who couldn't join us here and are not going to go home with one of the IGEL hedgehogs, where can they get all the information?
Well, the information is always present at www.igel.com. For those who have the partnership credentials, the authorized IGEL partners, they have the Partner Central area. There's an extranet for these folks to actually get their additional information about pricing, about additional presentations and informations which we share with our venue partners.
Erhard, thank you so much for joining us.
Absolutely.
Enjoy the event.
Thank you. You too. Thanks very much.